You are cooking. Why? Where is your wife? Where is your mother, sister? Okay, you are cooking, then why are you smiling and answering like that? Why cooking means you are, I think you are living in a hostel or in a rent room like that, or some in your house, your mother has gone to somewhere that you should cook like that. Hmm. You are really interested into cooking. That means you want to be a chef. You want to be a chef. Chef means master of cooking. Yeah, I do. Vegetarian foods. Vegetarian food I cook. I don't take to. No, you are telling me smart, you are telling me interested, you are telling me beautiful. I think all the qualities you have already. That's why your eyes are looking others or thinking others beautiful. Hmm? Hmm? Yes? Yes? I am talking to you right now. Now, what the dish you have cooked and what are the ingredients you have used to cook that one? It's not a time to look at me. It's time to answer me. Okay, what's your hobbies? Okay, what are the things, what are the dishes, what kind of food you like to cook? Why you are vegetarian? I were, but not now. I was at past I was a non-vegetarian, but not now. I like vegetarian items now. I love now. Tell me something about you, Vivek. What are the things that you are asking me only? You are very interesting, I know. That's why you didn't disconnect and you are just going on continuing talking communication. That's your skill you have. Why? So what did you cook? Huh? Maggie. How to cook that one? Tell me. Water. How many how many cups you can use? Hmm. Yes, 1 cup is not sufficient. You have to at least three cups. If you want to cook for one person, then 2 cup is enough. And if you want to cook for 2 or 3 persons, then three and a half cup is needed. Okay, then what did you do? Hmm. The Maggi masala. But one thing is that you didn't use any vegetables in Maggi. So I don't think that it will be tasty. Simply to take Maggi, it's not a it's not feeling yummy. Yes, yes, yes. I can understand. So these vegetables, if you use in Maggi, then you could get the actual taste of Maggi. No, I don't have. I don't know. I don't know why I don't have. So your Maggi is over. Cooking is over. Now you want to take the taste of Maggi. And the soup of Maggi is really very awesome to take. So it's about to 9. So you will not take dinner, or the dinner is Maggi. Oh my God, 11 p.m. If you are taking dinner, then when do you get up in the morning? Oh, after that, what do you do? Morning rituals? Do you follow morning rituals? Huh? Oh, okay. So what do you do specially? Go on office. What's your profession? What's your profession? No, no. What do you do specially? What's your profession? Job means what kind of job? Where? What is this? You are in what? You just say louder. No, I can't listen to you. You are an engineer. Which part? That means where? Which subject you are? Huh? Mechanical engineer. Okay. What's your work there? If you can make me understand, then it will be possible for me to understand. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, I can understand. Where do you live? What to say? All are there in my family. Which person means all are there. All are there. You don't understand that who will be the person. You can guess and you can understand. No need to elaborate. Yes, yes, yes. All are there. Yes, yes, yes. Like that. Yes, yes, yes. One. G. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Dream. Dream C. I don't know. His father, her father took this. What about you? Who are there in your family? Okay, okay. Who is your best friend? Can you define a best friend? What, how should be? That's correct, Vivek. Hmm. 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 Yes, yes, yes. You are you? Are you? Yes, yes. Why not? But what is the use of joining this kind of? It's not swinging. It's swing. Hmm. Yeah, I can understand. No. Hmm. Yeah. So, what color you like most? Huh? Black color. Hmm. That's nice. That's nice. Hmm. Yeah. Yes, yes. It doesn't have any reaction from the sunlight and it saves the skin. Do you think so? Hmm. Yeah, it's my choice. It's your choice too. Hmm. Thank you. Thank you so much.